Okay, good morning everyone. Preparing for Boomer's crane number 3 and with Sir Jerry Laban AB, and make sure the ship is level to the Boomers, and then after hoisting down, and then we photo the mooring line to secure. The purpose is to prevent swelling or swell while underway. Okay. Okay. How big the block is. Safe working load is 36 tons. You see. Okay, we're going down. Almost done. Almost done, almost done. Okay, almost done. Okay, the ship is secured. The ship of crane is almost secured. A little bit. Okay, the boom is secured, and then after that we put mooring line. This hook for prevent swell while underway. Okay. Okay. How big is? Okay. 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 Okay, done. Okay, crane number 3 are secure now. Okay.